How to make keto garlic and tarragon beef skewers with fennel slaw. The ingredients. For beef: 2 teaspoons fresh garlic, crushed. 2 tablespoons dry tarragon, chopped. 1 medium lemon, zest of. 100 grams of unsalted butter. 28-ounce sirloin steak. For fennel slaw: 1/4 medium red cabbage, sliced thin. 1 medium fennel, sliced thin. 2 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. Half teaspoon fennel seed. 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, combine the unsalted butter, crushed garlic, dry tarragon, and lemon zest. Stir to combine well, then set aside. Mix together the slaw ingredients by combining the sliced cabbage, fennel, Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, fennel seeds, and mayonnaise. Stir to combine well. Set the slaw aside. 3. Dice the sirloin steak and place it onto the skewers. Brush the steak with half of the prepared garlic and tarragon butter mixture. 4. Cook the steaks either on a grill or a char grill on high heat. Cook for 6 to 9 minutes. 5. Serve the beef skewers with the fennel slaw and the extra garlic and tarragon butter mixture. And enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 6 servings of keto garlic and tarragon beef skewers with fennel slaw. Each serving comes out to be 506 calories, 35.8 grams fat, 5.1 grams net carbs, and 37.5 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.